In this video, I'm going to show you how to add languages for live captions in Google Chrome, step by step, so you can make captions work in the language you prefer. This is really useful if you watch videos, join meetings, or listen to content in different languages and want Chrome's live captions to be more accurate and more helpful. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, click Settings. In the Settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Accessibility. This is where Chrome keeps the options for captions and other helpful accessibility features. On the Accessibility page, find the Live Caption section. Make sure the main toggle switch is turned on. If it's off, click it to enable live caption first, because you need that turned on before you can add languages. Once live caption is active, look next to supported live caption languages and click Add Languages. A list of available languages will appear. Now check the box next to the language or languages you want to include. For example, you might choose French or German, depending on what you need. After selecting your languages, click Add. Chrome will now download the language files you selected, so give it a moment to finish. When the download is complete, go back and click the three dots next to the language you just added. From the menu that appears, click Make Default. This tells Chrome to use that language as the primary option for live captions, which can help improve the captioning experience for the content you watch most often. And that's it! You've now added languages for live captions in Google Chrome and set a default language as well. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference if you use captions regularly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.